Welcome to the ultimate guide to passive income. In today's fast-paced world, the idea of making money while you sleep is more than just a dream. It's a reality that many savvy individuals are tapping into. Imagine waking up to find your bank account has grown overnight, all thanks to the power of passive income. In this video, we'll delve into the world of passive income, exploring its benefits, practicality, and the path it paves towards financial freedom. Passive income is not just about earning money without actively working for it. It's about creating streams of income that continue to flow, even when you're not directly involved. Whether it's through investments, royalties, online businesses, or rental properties, passive income offers a way to build wealth and secure your financial future without being tied to a traditional 9-to-5 job. The appeal of passive income lies in its ability to free up your time and energy, allowing you to focus on what truly matters to you. By setting up passive income streams, you can break free from the cycle of trading time for money and instead let your money work for you. In this guide, we'll show you just how practical and efficient it can be to earn money without constant effort. We'll explore different passive income ideas and strategies that you can start implementing today to set yourself on the path towards financial independence. So sit back, relax, and get ready to discover the endless possibilities that passive income can offer. Passive income is a game changer in the world of finance, offering a way to generate money with minimal ongoing effort. Unlike active income, which requires you to trade your time and labor for a paycheck, passive income allows you to earn money while you're sleeping, traveling, or simply enjoying life. It's all about setting up systems that work for you, rather than you working for them. There are various sources of passive income that you can explore to diversify your earnings and build long-term wealth. One common source is investments, such as stocks, bonds, and mutual funds, which can generate passive income through dividends and capital gains. By investing in solid companies or funds, you can earn a steady stream of income without actively managing your investments. Another popular passive income stream is rental properties, where you earn money through rental payments from tenants. Owning real estate can provide a reliable source of passive income, especially if you choose properties in high-demand areas or invest in vacation rentals. Online businesses also offer lucrative opportunities for passive income, with options like affiliate marketing, digital products, and e-commerce stores. By creating valuable content, promoting products or services, or selling digital goods, you can generate passive income streams that continue to grow over time. To inspire you on your passive income journey, consider successful examples like Warren Buffett's investment portfolio, best-selling authors earning royalties from their books, or affiliate marketers generating passive income through online promotions. These success stories show that with dedication, creativity, and strategic planning, anyone can achieve financial freedom through passive income. Setting up passive income streams requires careful planning, strategic decision-making, and a willingness to invest time and resources upfront for long-term gains. In this section, we'll guide you through practical steps to establish passive income streams that can help you achieve financial independence and security. Before diving into any passive income venture, it's crucial to conduct thorough research to understand the market, potential returns, and risks involved. By evaluating different opportunities and assessing your own skills and interests, you can choose a passive income stream that aligns with your goals and resources. When it comes to building passive income through investments, it's essential to develop a sound strategy and practice effective risk management. Diversifying your investment portfolio, setting clear financial goals, and staying informed about market trends can help you maximize returns and minimize potential losses. Whether you're investing in stocks, real estate, or other assets, a disciplined approach and a long-term perspective are key to building sustainable passive income streams. Automation tools and systems can also play a crucial role in streamlining passive income generation and maximizing efficiency. By leveraging technology to automate repetitive tasks, track income and expenses, and optimize your workflows, you can free up more time to focus on growing your passive income streams and exploring new opportunities. By following these practical steps and staying committed to your passive income goals, you can create a solid foundation for financial success and enjoy the benefits of passive income for years to come. To truly unlock the full potential of passive income and achieve financial abundance, it's essential to implement strategies that can optimize your earnings and accelerate your wealth-building journey. In this section, we'll provide you with tips and techniques to maximize your passive income potential and set yourself up for long-term success. Diversification is a key strategy for stabilizing and growing your passive income streams. By spreading your investments across different asset classes, industries, and markets, you can reduce risk and ensure that your income remains resilient in the face of market fluctuations. Diversification not only safeguards your earnings, but also opens up opportunities for growth and expansion in various sectors. Scaling your passive income streams is another crucial step in maximizing your earnings. As you establish successful income streams, look for ways to replicate and expand them to generate more revenue. Whether it's through increasing your investment portfolio, expanding your rental property holdings, or growing your online business, scaling allows you to leverage your existing assets and resources for greater financial returns. Reinvesting your passive income profits is a powerful strategy for compounding your earnings over time. Instead of simply pocketing your earnings, consider reinvesting them back into your passive income ventures to fuel further growth. Whether it's reinvesting in new opportunities, upgrading existing assets, or expanding your reach, compounding your earnings can accelerate your wealth-building efforts and create a snowball effect of increasing passive income. By diversifying your income sources, scaling your ventures, and reinvesting your profits, you can maximize your passive income potential and create a sustainable path towards financial freedom and prosperity. Before we get into the next topic, I wanted to take a moment to mention I am promoting a course called YouTube Mastery and Monetization. It's an excellent course if you want to learn about YouTube and how to make good money using YouTube. It also teaches how to operate your very own channel, even a faceless channel like I'm doing right now, and you don't have to make videos to be successful on YouTube's platform. I have more information listed in the description below this video for those who may be interested. There's also a free webinar that goes into detail about the course. Now let's continue. Building passive income streams can be a rewarding journey, but it's not without its challenges. From the initial investment required to the time commitment involved and the uncertainties of market fluctuations, there are common obstacles that aspiring passive income earners may face. In this section, we'll address these challenges and provide practical solutions to help you overcome them and stay on track towards financial success. One of the primary hurdles in building passive income is the barrier of initial investment. To overcome this challenge, consider starting small and gradually increasing your investments as your income grows. Look for low-cost or no-cost passive income opportunities, such as affiliate marketing, online courses, or peer-to-peer lending that require minimal upfront capital but offer significant earning potential. Additionally, explore crowdfunding platforms or partnerships to pool resources and share the financial burden with others. Balancing passive income pursuits with other responsibilities can also be a challenge, especially for those juggling full-time jobs, family commitments, or other obligations. To manage your time effectively, create a schedule or routine that allocates dedicated time for working on your passive income ventures. Prioritize tasks, set realistic goals, and leverage productivity tools to streamline your workflow and maximize efficiency. Market fluctuations and economic uncertainties can pose risks to passive income sources, affecting investment returns, rental property income, or online business revenues. To mitigate these risks, diversify your income streams, stay informed about market trends, and consider implementing risk management strategies such as setting stop-loss orders, maintaining emergency funds, or investing in stable assets. By being proactive and adaptable in your approach, you can navigate market fluctuations and safeguard your passive income streams against potential downturns. Passive income is not just a concept, it's a practical and achievable goal that anyone can pursue with dedication, perseverance, and strategic planning. By diversifying your income sources, scaling your ventures, and reinvesting your profits, you can maximize your passive income potential and create a sustainable path towards financial abundance. If you found this guide helpful and/or inspiring, please like this video with a thumbs up. This helps with the algorithm, and your support motivates us to continue making videos. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos about making money online. You can also stick around and watch our other videos that may interest you, as we have over 100 to choose from.